My name is Rebeca Mendéz Hernández, and I'm a postdoctoral fellow here at the Del Artigue Lab in Monell Chemical Senses Center. I am from Mexico, and I did my PhD in Mexico, and then I came to Monell to do my postdoc in order to understand a bit more about sensory science. So when I was doing my PhD, I studied circadian rhythms, and you can think of circadian rhythms as when the sun comes up, I wake up, and then when the sun comes down, I go to sleep. But it's actually a bit more complicated than that. So circadian rhythms are ingrained into our brains, and we have a brain clock that knows what time it is. And so then this internal clock is functioning all the time, and it doesn't just make us wake up and go to sleep, but it also regulates a lot of different other functions. Our physiological functions in general have these day-night rhythms. I studied how these rhythms occur and what happens when they're disrupted. And so from my data from my PhD, it became increasingly clear that sensory systems are important to regulate circadian rhythms, because sensory systems can send information to the brain regions that regulate these rhythms. And so, for example, in response to food, these rhythms can change. So I wanted to understand how these sensory systems talk to the brain and how signals like food can change our daily cycling physiology.